Wee! What up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. We got ourselves a new ONYX RCR. And it's not just any ONYX RCR, it's actually custom painted by ONYX themselves. It's a blue metallic color, like the Mega Man color, it looks like. I'm heading to my side job, which is my Airbnb side job. In the meantime, let's cue in the intro. We basically like the ONYX City CTY version so much that, I don't know, we justified getting another one. This is ridiculous, guys. We have negative space around the house. Bikes every corner. Yeah, I don't know. We're probably going to get rid of a few bikes. Need a little bit more of a pavement ride to pair up with our ONYX City Y, so Crystal and I, my wife and I, can go cruising around town at the same speed. If you look at my previous videos, we were going, I was using the Super73 S2 model with this bike, but you know, there's just a lot of waiting involved, and it's really not the same in terms of a moped paired with a motorcycle speed. It's not really ideal, but something about this bike. Wait, let me just check my top speed. $54. Popo up ahead. Well, that was interesting. This bike was topping at 54 miles per hour. That's like the same as the ONYX City 2 in my first test. But something about this blue bike, something about unique bikes, you know, that I really like. I was drawn to. Bought it on OfferUp, and his name is Robert, and he also used to work for ONYX. So this was actually custom painted by ONYX themselves. It looks like it's powder coated, but it looks professionally done. I'll find a time over there to do a walkthrough really quick, but I just need to get to work for now. And I know my volume isn't as good if I'm going over 40 miles per hour. You're barely able to hear me. This one is a standard version, so it's for my height at 5'6", 5'7". It's okay. I'm a little bit tiptoeing, but my wife will definitely not be able to ride this safely. So the ONYX City 2 would be likely for her. And then this one only has a 23 amp battery size, so I kind of have to, I don't know, worry about it, or maybe get the 41 amp, or there's 55 amp now with shy batteries. So maybe that's something I'm researching right now. But I was not fully charged today, so maybe that's why I'm not reaching over 54 miles per hour. Maybe, I'm not really sure. This is my first time really going further than around the block around my house. Stick around, we'll do more testing. But this bike is practically brand new. It's under, right here, it's under 73 miles right now, used total. Yeah, the guy just didn't need it. He had it in OfferUp, and he gave me a good deal. He gave me a good deal that I couldn't refuse. I had to drive all the way to Canoga Park, which is fine because I do have family over there anyway, but West Covina to Canoga Park, it's, I don't know, like an hour, a little bit, around an hour drive, depending on traffic. Just cleaned the pool. Let's find a good shaded area. It'll do for a quick walkthrough of this bike. As I was saying, it's under 100 miles. Now it's 74 miles. 72 volt, 23 amp battery. They did a good job on the paint project. Yeah, blue. I haven't seen this kind of blue ONYX around, so that's a good thing. I want to be unique. And it has some metallic shine. It's not just like royal blue. So that's really cool. Again, it's a standard version. A little too tall for crystal. I might look for a shorter suspension or a little bit of a shorter suspension to kind of drop the seat a little bit, hopefully. Apparently, you have to change the kickstand as well if I dropped it for a shorty version. Anyhow, that's going to be kind of the walkthrough today. Everything else is pretty much stock and standard. This is going to be my new ONYX that I'm going to be sporting around. And pretty soon, Crystal and I will probably go to ONYX rides, as long as it's not a long distance. I have a loading ramp coming in for my SUV so that it'll be easier to transport these electric vehicles around. But that's going to be today's quick vlog, folks. Thank you for tuning in, as always. This is E-Bike Adventure signing out. Check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on any e-bikes that you might be drawn to. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.